Let's make some chicken pasta with pesto and broccoli tonight. Hello, welcome back to our kitchen. Tonight we're going to do some pasta with sauteed chicken and broccoli in a pesto sauce. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is put some oil in a pan. Looks about right. And turn that on low. I've already got some water for the pasta started to boil. We're working on getting to towards boil. I'm going to dice up some onions. That looks pretty good. Nice big pieces, which is what I wanted. And we'll drop them in the pan. Let them cook for a bit. As usual, I'm using a cast iron pan. Okay, that's that. Now I'll take the broccoli, cut the flowers off. This is organic broccoli, which I'm trying for a change. Trying to decide if it's really better than the other kind. Okay, that's ready. They can sit right there for now. I'm going to take the chicken and I'm going to dice this up. As I've said before, raw chicken can be kind of nasty stuff. So you want to make sure that you don't get it all over everything. Put that out of the way. When I cut chicken, this hand gets wet, this hand doesn't. So I'll cut this into bite-sized pieces. Just like that. Okay, that's good. Come over here and stir the onions a little bit. Take a peek at the water. Oop, they got to boil. I'm going to turn that off for a little bit. And while I'm at it, I'm going to wash my hands, get the chicken juice off. Okay, now I'm going to take this and put the chicken in here. Like that. Cutting board out of the way. Spread the chicken out. Probably noticed the pesto back here by the burner. Got it back there. Pesto's been in the refrigerator. And putting it by the burner allows it to liquefy, because when you put oil in a refrigerator, it congeals. So let's see, we're going to spice this with some garlic. And some I'm not going to use basil because basil is in the pesto. And I'm out of oregano, so it's just garlic goes in here. So while that's cooking, I'm going to get some stuff out and I'll bring you back when I'm ready to put the pasta in the pot, or I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I got the water boiling again. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the broccoli in with the chicken. So that can steam a little bit while the chicken finishes cooking. Then I'm going to take, I've got some zucchini pasta. Obviously not enough for 2 people. And some penne pasta, both of which are gluten-free. My wife is gluten-free when she can be, so that's what I make for her. So we'll put this in the pot. Mix it up a little bit. Theory set timer 8 minutes. Broccoli's looking good. Chicken's looking good. So I'll bring you back once the pasta is ready. Okay, we are close to being done. Got about a minute left on the pasta. I've turned the broccoli and chicken down almost to low so that it doesn't burn. And the pasta is just about there. Yep, pasta's done. So we'll take and drain that. Pour it back in the pan and then come over here and pour it in there. Okay, pesto time. The reason I've got 2 pestos is that I'm almost out of this one, so I bought some more. This pesto is olive oil based. You can buy some that is based on other oils. That looks good. So we'll just mix this. Okay. That's all ready to dish up. We'll move this over here to the hot pad. Okay, so let's dish this up. A one-plate wonder. Looks pretty good. We'll put the excess in the smaller plate. So that's dinner for tonight. Hope you enjoyed this video. The whole process took about an hour to put together. That includes some filming time. So call it 40 minutes, 50 minutes to get this made for your family. If you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.